Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kwork Freelance Marketplace app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Kwork is an online freelance marketplace designed to help users hire skilled professionals quickly and affordably. The platform offers fixed-price service packages across categories like graphic design, writing, marketing, video editing, web development, and many other digital services. It's available on both iOS and Android, making it easy to browse services, compare freelancers, and place orders on the go. The app's main feature is its Kwork service model. Freelancers list ready-made packages with clear pricing, delivery time, and scope of work. Users can review seller ratings, communicate through secure chat, and place an order instantly. This structure helps buyers avoid price negotiations and reduces the risk of unexpected costs. The app also includes built-in order tracking, revision requests, and dispute resolution for safer transactions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its transparent pricing, fast ordering process, and the large number of available freelancers. It's especially useful for small businesses, creators, and individuals who need quick, affordable digital services. The review system helps buyers evaluate freelancers, and the platform generally delivers work on time. However, there are some drawbacks. Quality can vary between freelancers, and some projects may require more customization than fixed packages allow. A few users report communication delays or issues when expectations aren't aligned. Additionally, while most services are budget-friendly, complex work may require multiple add-ons, increasing the final cost. In summary, the Kwork app may be worth using if you want fast, fixed-price services, clear freelancer ratings, and a large marketplace of digital talent. However, if you prefer fully customized work or want extensive project management features, it might not be the perfect fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.